Hey everyone, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com, and today we're taking a look at the tailor-made boat flagpole kit. So this is going to be one of the taller flagpoles that we have here at etrailer.com to allow you to fly that flag off the back of your boat. It does come with the base and hardware to attach this, so it gives you a nice big flagpole to fly a bigger flag off of your boat, show your pride for whatever your flag might be that you're flying. The base does have an offset to it, so it's at an angle of 60 degrees. You can kind of get an idea of that angle here. Sorry, you won't be able to see the top of that flagpole, but it's pretty good size. Again, 48 inches, about 4 feet. You can take a little bit closer look at the hardware that comes with it. So we'll have the base, and then the reinforcement plate to go underneath that, the 3 screws, lock washers, and nuts to attach that to the gunwale of your boat. The nice thing about the construction of this flagpole is that it is 304 stainless steel, so it should be resistant to any kind of rust or corrosion. It's good for fresh water and salt water, so any marine application that you might have for this should last you a long time. Looks really nice, has the finial up at the top, so has just a little sphere there, and we'll also have the 2 holders to make sure that our flag stays taut and that it's going to not get tangled up and sort of wrapped around the rest of our flagpole. Those can be adjusted by grabbing a hex wrench to loosen this up. It doesn't come with one, but if you can see there, we'll have the attachment or the little set screw to adjust there. So this one you can run down the flagpole. Same for the other one, you can adjust the height on that. So if you want it to be offset a little bit from the top, you can adjust that there. And then it'll attach there by the bolts or the screws that go through to hold on to the grommet of your flag. The size of those set screws, that hex head you'll need is about an 1/8 inch. Might work with a 3mm hex head wrench. But an 1/8 inch worked best whenever I tried it out. It doesn't come with that, so you will have to provide that on your own, so just keep that in mind. As far as other measurements with this flagpole, again, 48 inches tall. That's going to be from the very end to the very top of the pole itself. It doesn't include that finial up at the top. So as far as the actual length, that's about how much you got there. The base diameter, outside diameter, is 2 3/4 inches. The height, just for fun, is about 2 inches. And then the diameter of our pole is 1 inch. The diameter of that finial up at the top is about 1.25 inches. The screws measure about 1.5 inches from the bottom of the head to the end of the bolt. So you have about 1.5 inches of space to work with to go through any materials to actually mount that in place. The recommended flag size for this is 36 inches by 60 inches. You don't have to use that size, but it is meant to go with that bigger flag size, so something a little bit smaller might look a little bit out of place, but it's kind of up to you there. Right now we only have the American flag in that size here at etrailer.com, but we do have a lot of other flags of all different kinds and all different insignias, so check them out if you're interested. And that's going to do it for our look at the tailor-made boat flag. I hope this video has been helpful in answering any of your questions, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.